Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing new workflows features in GoHighLevel. Actually, GoHighLevel is pushing a lot of new features on every day, but these are an amazing feature. I am going to love it, and it's a workflow of few actions. I will show you step by step how it's work and how it's beneficial for your automations and how easily you can add some wait actions and some wait automations as well. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step. For testing purpose, I'm going to show you, I just create new workflow and I'm going to show you what new features we have. So first of all, I'm going to show you about wait actions. In a wait action, we have new sub features as well. I will show you step by step. We don't need trigger for now. First of all, we have these actions. It's a similar like that we have before, but right now we don't need to go and we need to select before, after 1 minute, 30 minutes, second. You can just simply go here and you can select it, and you can select time periods like 1, 2, 3 and whatever you want to use. Just simply click and you can change it. So for now we are not going to use it. It's a super easy like we have before it as well. This is another actions. We will say until specific dates and time. That's amazing features. So what we can do, we will add wait actions and we will say that on specific date, like we can say that on 25 on 1 of June and on 10 p.m 10 a.m we can select this on this and date and time. So what we can do, we will add tag and we can say there's specific date and wait for specific date and time. And here is where you can say this action will be performed once on this date and time, or before on this date, after on this date. If date is already passed, what they need to do, continue to next actions or exit context from automations and go to specific step. It's up to you whichever you want to use, or we can say that skip all these action and go ahead next. So that's a wait for specific date and time, and we will add another wait that's a recurring wait. That's an amazing feature of GoHighLevel, and we are waiting for this wait actions. It's a useful for any restaurant, for any events, for any birthday wishes or specific recurring emails and SMS. If you want to send them, I will show you, like if you want to send them recurring weekly, monthly or yearly emails or SMS or whatever action you want to perform and you want to do a wait. So for example, we will do a wait and we will say that on Monday, I just uncheck all on Monday and Friday. What we need to do on this date, we you see on Monday and Friday, we will add this wait. Like let me change the name. This is whole game changing for GoHighLevel user for workflow, and we will say that on this date you have to send this SMS. So every Monday and Friday, and we will select time as well. Like we can say that at 2 a.m. you have to send this message on every Monday and Friday. And if you want to choose it like yearly, you can select it yearly as well. First at yearly, or you want to say that second at yearly. Tuesday you can select month, like you can send them January, March, April, on whatever date you want to send. You can select month, time, and then again we have same. It will send January on 4, 27, 28, 29, 20, 30 and 31. It's a recurring. For example, you have any offer for your pizza brand or for your any shop, so you can send them recurring emails and SMS. You can say that, hey, we have 1 cup of tea free on this date. So you can manage these all recurring automations here as well. And again we will add again a wait, and in which we will discuss about schedule date and time. So that's also amazing. We will schedule different things, like we will say that if someone book this appointment, so these message need to go, or if someone pay this payment, we have to send these emails and this SMS. So we will, like before that we have conditions, we have to implement conditions, and after the condition we will do all those things. Right now we have all things in a wait action, we simply just select the wait action and we can change it according to our requirement. We will say that invites due dates, and we will say that add date time, continue next action. We will skip all for now, and here we go. Change type, you want to simply just click on it and you can change type as well. But right now we are going to be this one, and we will select our dates and time on appointments, on calendars, whatever you have specific date, or you have already selected date, so you can just simply place these actions. So what if we can select another dates and we have another action under wait, where we can say that until the contact is replied. Before that we have separate action for contact reply, and then we will go this one, and if contact not reply, for we will go with this one. But in this case we have specific, like I just going here and I will go back here, yes, and I will change SMS1, and here we will add another SMS, not this one, SMS2. Now SMS2 and SMS1, and now we can add a wait and another wait. Go to here and we will add specific reply. So what we can see here, you can see we have two SMS. Like for example, we can say if someone reply of this SMS, you need to send this message, and you need to send this reply, and you need to take this action. So we can specify our workflow according to our need as well. For example, someone reply our first commits or first SMS, so we need to remove from workflow and put into another workflow, whatever action you have. So these are await sub actions, and now we have, this is specific for trigger links. For example, someone open your email, so what you need to do, we will send them SMS and email, or send another emails. So these are all actions like opens or clicks or unsubscribe or complaint or bounced. So we base on these what we need to do, we will make actions. Or otherwise we have trigger link and someone click on a trigger link, so we will wait until someone click on a trigger link. We will start sending them SMS, hey, you have click on our link, here is your next instructions. So whatever offer you have, you can send based on this. Like we can say that we can open this and simply like we have this link, and now we will add again wait, and we have until specific conditions are meets. This is for conditions, like we have if else conditions, we have and or. I will show you how it's work. Like we'll say contact details, contacts field is full name, and we will say that is, and say yes or no. Based on this we will take actions. If yes, and then we will add actions, or if you want to add or, you can simply go and here you can add or, and you can add another condition as well. So that's how these conditions work. And also we have and yes, these are all new features in await actions, so it will make your automation easy and very useful. And even you don't need to take a lot of actions like condition actions for specific date actions. You simply go and drag and drop wait actions, and you can add all recurring these things. If you want to learn more about GoHighLevel, or if you have any GoHighLevel project and you want to discuss with me, or you want my services, or if you need any things or book free consultation, simply you can go on Leadsflex.com and you can book free consultation with me, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how these all systems are work and how you can utilize it for your business. Here you can see we have tons of review our previous clients as well, and you can book our free consultation and I will jump with you and I will guide you step by step. If you don't have GoHighLevel, I have a description, I'll affiliate my link. You just jump with my link and you will get all these bonuses free of course. Thank you so much for watching this video.